Today, we're diving into the mouth-watering world of barbecue. Get ready to explore the best barbecue styles across America, a journey that highlights our nation's rich culinary tapestry. Each region brings its own unique techniques, flavors, and traditions to the table, making barbecue a timeless favorite at gatherings and celebrations. So, let's fire up the grill and get started on this delicious adventure. Let's dive into something truly mouth-watering, Texas-style barbecue, which has racked up an impressive 15,577 votes. Now, what makes Texas barbecue stand out? It's all about the beef, specifically the brisket. This cut is slow-cooked to tender perfection and seasoned simply with just salt and pepper. It's a true testament to the art of smoking, bringing out a deep, smoky flavor that pairs perfectly with classic sides. In fact, in Texas, the brisket is often called the king of barbecue. It truly showcases the region's unmatched expertise in smoking meats. As the editor's choice, Texas-style barbecue not only holds an iconic status, but also wields considerable influence in the world of barbecue. Its mastery of beef smoking techniques, combined with a back-to-basics approach to spices, really highlights the importance of quality and tradition. Whether you're a visitor or a local, it's widely regarded as the gold standard for barbecue experiences. So, if you haven't tried it yet, you're in for a treat. Coming in at number 2 with an impressive 12,970 votes, we have the mouth-watering Kansas City barbecue. What makes Kansas City barbecue truly special? Well, it's all about the incredible variety of meats. You'll find everything from tender pork and juicy beef to succulent chicken, all smothered in a thick, sweet, and tangy tomato-based sauce. This unique style showcases a delightful blend of flavors and techniques, creating a rich and complex culinary experience that keeps barbecue lovers coming back for more. And let's not forget, Kansas City is a barbecue paradise, boasting over 100 restaurants dedicated to this beloved cuisine. It's a must-visit destination for any barbecue enthusiast. Coming in with an impressive 10,262 votes, let's talk about the mouth-watering delight that is Carolina barbecue. What sets Carolina barbecue apart? It's all about that slow-cooked pulled pork, which is a true labor of love. Now, depending on where you are in the Carolinas, you'll find two distinct styles. In the East, they drizzle on a tangy vinegar-based sauce, while in the West, it's all about that rich tomato-based sauce. But it's not just the sauces that make this barbecue shine. It's the hardwood smoking that adds a depth of flavor you just can't resist. And here's a little tip. In true Carolina fashion, you'll often find coleslaw piled right on top of the meat. This delightful addition not only complements the flavors, but also adds a crunchy texture that takes the experience to a whole new level. So there you have it. The passion and tradition behind Carolina barbecue, a dish that's truly worth celebrating. Coming in at number 4, we have barbacoa with an impressive 9,945 votes. This mouth-watering dish hails from Mexico and has a rich history. Traditionally, barbacoa involves slow-cooking meat, typically lamb or goat, in a pit, which results in incredibly flavorful and tender dishes. Over time, this cooking technique has evolved, and nowadays it's often made with beef wrapped in leaves and cooked to juicy perfection. Fun fact, the term barbecue actually comes from the Taino word barbacoa. It refers to how indigenous people cooked meat over a wooden platform. So whether you're enjoying it at a backyard gathering or a local taco stand, barbacoa is a delicious nod to its ancient roots. Let's dive into the delicious world of Memphis barbecue, which garnered an impressive 9,324 votes. What makes Memphis barbecue so special? Well, it's all about the pork. This style is renowned for its slow-cooked, smoked meats, often served either pulled or chopped to perfection. And let's not forget about the sauces. Memphis is famous for its rich tomato-based and tangy vinegar-based options, perfect for slathering over that tender, smoky goodness. To top it all off, Memphis is home to the World Championship Barbecue Cooking Contest, drawing in pitmasters and barbecue lovers from all over the globe. So, whether you're a local or just passing through, the barbecue scene in Memphis is definitely something you won't want to miss. All right, let's dive into the flavorful world of South Carolina mustard barbecue. which racked up an impressive 7,438 votes. What makes this style of barbecue truly special? It's all about that bold mustard-based sauce that gives it a unique twist compared to other barbecue styles across the country. Picture this, a tangy blend of yellow mustard, vinegar, and a mix of spices, all coming together to create the perfect complement for delicious pulled pork or tender chicken. Now here's a fun fact. This mouth-watering mustard barbecue has its roots among German immigrants in South Carolina, making it a one-of-a-kind culinary gem that's exclusive to the region. So next time you're craving barbecue, remember the standout flavor of South Carolina mustard barbecue. Coming in at number 7, we have Alabama white sauce with a whopping 5,608 votes. This barbecue style truly stands out thanks to its creamy mayonnaise-based sauce. It's a perfect match for chicken, pulled pork, and even ribs. What makes this sauce special? Well, it's not just the mayo. It's blended with vinegar, black pepper, and a hint of cayenne for that extra kick. Now, let's give a nod to the legend who brought this sauce into the spotlight, Big Bob Gibson. He first served it back in the 1920s, and it's been a hit ever since. Coming in at number 8, we have brisket with an impressive 4,241 votes. This beloved cut of meat taken from the breast of the cow is celebrated for its rich flavor and incredible tenderness, especially when it's smoked just right. Brisket has earned its place as a true Texas barbecue icon. It's typically seasoned with a dry rub or slathered in barbecue sauce, making it a go-to for barbecue lovers everywhere. And if you want to do it justice, be prepared for a long smoke. We're talking anywhere from 12 to 20 hours. So whether you're in Texas or just dreaming of that smoky goodness, brisket never disappoints. All right, let's dive into the delicious world of pulled pork. With a whopping 3,840 votes, this dish has clearly won the hearts of many. So what exactly is pulled pork? Well, it's a mouth-watering classic in the barbecue scene, made from tender, slow-cooked pork shoulder. Once it's perfectly cooked, it's shredded and usually tossed in a rich barbecue sauce. Now, picture this. Pulled pork piled high on a soft bun, topped off with crunchy coleslaw. It's a combination that's adored in many regions across the United States. Whether it's a backyard cookout or a family gathering, pulled pork is always a crowd pleaser. Coming in at number 10, we have the mouth-watering barbecue chicken, racking up an impressive 3,204 votes. This dish starts with marinating succulent chicken pieces in a zesty barbecue sauce, and then it's grilled to perfection until they're juicy and beautifully caramelized. It's no wonder this tasty treat is a staple at backyard gatherings and barbecues all over America. Coming in at number 11, we have the mouth-watering burnt ends, racking up an impressive 2,570 votes. Now, if you're not familiar, burnt ends are a true barbecue delight, crafted from the juicy point end of a smoked brisket. These little nuggets of goodness are chopped into bite-sized pieces and often slathered in a rich barbecue sauce. What makes them so irresistible? It's all about that perfect tenderness and the deep, smoky flavor that keeps you coming back for more. Interestingly, burnt ends started out as a chef's secret, something special just for them, but they've quickly become a must-have on barbecue menus everywhere. So if you haven't tried them yet, trust me, you're in for a treat. Coming in at number 12, we have the mouth-watering barbecue ribs, racking up an impressive 2,519 votes. These ribs are a true delight, marinated to soak up all those incredible flavors and slow-cooked to perfection. And let's not forget that luscious barbecue glaze that brings it all together. A favorite at outdoor cookouts. They're famous for their fall-off-the-bone tenderness. Just imagine sinking your teeth into that juicy goodness. Pure bliss. Coming in at number 13, we have barbecue shrimp, racking up an impressive 2,207 votes. Now, you might think barbecue means grilling, but in this case, it's something a bit different. Originating from the vibrant culinary scene of Louisiana, this dish features succulent shrimp simmered in a rich, spicy sauce crafted from butter, garlic, and a delightful mix of spices. So while it's called barbecue, you won't find it on a grill. Instead, it's baked to perfection in a savory broth that's simply irresistible. Coming in at number 14, we have sausage with an impressive 1,635 votes. Now, let's talk about barbecue sausage. This delicious delight is crafted from a mix of meats and spices, expertly linked together and smoked to perfection, delivering that rich, deep flavor we all crave. You'll often find it served in slices, as part of a mouth-watering barbecue platter, or nestled in a warm sandwich, ready to be devoured. And that wraps up our ranking. We'd love to hear your own top 10, so drop your favorites in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating content.